Be Calm, a guided meditation by Don't Forget to Breathe. Please begin by finding a comfortable, seated position. You can sit on a cushion or a chair with your back straight but not rigid. Rest your hands on your knees or in your lap and close your eyes if it feels comfortable for you. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. As you inhale, feel your belly expand, and as you exhale, feel it contract. Let your breath slow and be steady, and breathe in and out, and in and out, allowing your body to relax. And as it does, bring your attention to it. Scan your body from the top of your head to the tips of your toes, and notice any areas of tension or discomfort without trying to change anything. Simply observe these sensations with a sense of curiosity and openness, and breathe in and out, allowing your body to tell you how it feels. Next, bring your attention to the present moment. Notice any sounds around you, any sensations in your body, or any thoughts or feelings that can arise. Allow everything to be just as it is, without trying to change anything. Be present in this moment, in this place, right here, right now, and breathe in and out, in and out. As you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, bring to mind an image or feeling of calmness. This could be a peaceful scene in nature, a memory of a relaxing moment, or a sensation of warmth and comfort. Hold this image or feeling in your mind, allowing it to fill you with a sense of calm and happiness, and breathe in and out, and in and out. As this calmness fills you up, allow your mind to focus on it and begin to repeat a simple phrase to yourself, such as, I am calm, I am peaceful. Repeat this phrase silently to yourself with every exhale, allowing it to sink deeper and deeper into your subconscious. And breathe in and out. And in and out. If your mind begins to wander, simply notice the thought or distraction and gently bring your attention back to your breath and your feeling of calmness. Remember that it's normal for your mind to wander, and there is no need to judge yourself or feel frustrated. Just allow your body to relax again and return your thoughts to the calmness of your breathing. And breathe in and out. In and out. Continue to focus on your breathing and the feeling of calmness, repeating your phrase with each exhalation, allowing yourself to fully immerse in this sense of calm, letting go of any worries or concerns, present in this moment and in this space, simply breathing calmly. And breathe in and out. In and out. As we near the end of the meditation today, take a few deep breaths and gradually bring your awareness back to your body and your surroundings. When you are ready, open your eyes if they were closed and take a moment to notice how you feel. Remember that you can come back to this feeling of calmness at any time, simply by focusing on your breath and repeating your chosen phrase. You may carry this sense of calm with you throughout your life and throughout your day. Thank you so much for meditating with me today. If you enjoyed this meditation, please consider subscribing. I hope you have a great day, and don't forget to breathe.